You need to watch this if you love space mysteries. Ever heard a knock in space? Back in 2003, Chinese astronaut Yang Liwei heard something unusual, a knocking sound. Imagine being in the vast silence of space and hearing a knock on your spaceship. Spooky, huh? Despite checking everywhere, there was no obvious source. Scientists have theories, from space debris to thermal expansion, but none are confirmed. This sound was heard multiple times by different astronauts, adding layers to the enigma. What could it be? Could it be an unknown space phenomenon? Or perhaps something or someone trying to communicate? The mystery remains unsolved. Space is full of wonders and unknowns, and this knocking, it's just one of its many secrets. So keep looking up and let your curiosity roam. Who knows what other mysteries await us out there?